introduction. I really like that Mike brought up the fact that these things don't have to be patented, because I would recommend, unless you really have the next blockbuster mouse, don't patent it. It's just going to be a waste of your money. You control the IP through MTAs, so you control the distribution. See it? It sounds less like my personal assistant, I guess. And I handle our commercial transgenic models, which are the Taconic transgenic models, and our investigator-sponsored non-commercial transgenics, which are the emerging models. Just a little bit of background about us. If you work with mice, I hope you've heard of us. We really only have 3 competitors, so I hope you've heard of us. We're headquartered in Hudson, New York. And we started in a barn in 1952. Can everybody hear me? Yeah? Okay. And we actually have over 800 employees now. We've really grown quite a bit. We have a little map here which is loading very slowly, but which will show you basically our scope. We're really a worldwide organization. We have 3 production sites in the U.S. Our main production site is in Germantown, New York, which is about an hour south of Albany. We have a production site in Cambridge City, Indiana, to really serve our customers in the Midwest. We also have production in Oxnard, California. We have a really great lab up in Albany, and we have some contract research work there. And we also have a lab in Rockville, Maryland. We have production in several sites in Denmark to serve our European customers, and also help distribute animals that are bred in New York but purchased by our European customers. And that's a lot of the transgenics are actually bred only in one site. We have a number of partnerships. So we actually do custom model generation with Artemis Pharmaceuticals in Germany. We distribute a portfolio of about 1,500 single gene knockouts from Lexicon in Texas. And we have an exclusive distributorship with Transgenetics, which does real-time genotyping with result turnaround in 72 hours after receipt of samples. They're in Memphis, Tennessee, which is no surprise because that's where the FedEx hub is. So that's what allows us to do the 72-hour turnaround. So you FedEx your tail clips, and then on the web 3 days later you get the results. We also have distributors in Japan, Korea, and Singapore to serve our Asian customers. There's a number of Japanese pharmaceuticals who are certainly big users of our transgenics. And we really have a partnership with the Central Institute for Experimental Animals in Japan, who generate models, and we in-license some of them or distribute them for them.